Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much for ordering your side boot keychains. These are some orders I'm shipping out this morning. And if you do want to get one yourself, check it out at the Rush SRT website. Thank you. What's going on? Oh, fuck, cop. Yo guys, so today is a little bit of a story time because I have some crazy story to tell you that happened last night. So last night, as you can tell in the title of the video, we were involved in a police pursuit, and this shit was crazy, man. I've never dealt with anything like this in my life. I've never been part of a police pursuit. I mean, I've seen them on TV before, but to actually be in one and to see it unfold in front of you is pretty wild. So in order for the footage that I'm about to show you to make sense, I need to kind of explain the backstory of why everything kind of was done the way it was in the video, and kind of tell you my whole mindset prior to everything taking place. All right, so what ended up happening yesterday is we were hanging out at my buddy's house. We got hungry, decided to go for like a late night, snack run, and there was 4 of us, so 2 in this car, 2 in the other car, and we were cruising on the freeway, messing around, just doing a few pulls here and there. Oh, he jumped you. With the Hellcat is wild. You guys know that. You've seen it in the videos before. He likes to have a good time. He drives that Hellcat the way it's meant to be driven. And after we finished up our little midnight snack, we were leaving the parking lot. He got on it, got a little sideways, corrected it, made his U-turn, and everything was good. What's I made a U-turn as well, and I was going the other way. He was behind me at this point. So me and my buddy were having a normal conversation in the car, and then I see the Hellcat starts flashing me with his high beams. So I knew something was up. I didn't know what it was because he was starting to catch up to me. He's flashing me and he's turning his signals right and left and all this, like he's trying to get my attention for something. So I didn't know what the hell was going on. So I didn't really think too much of it. I kept driving straight. Then he pulls around me, and my buddy Daniel is in the passenger seat. He jumps out the window, and he's like pointing, like go or something. Like it didn't make sense of what he was trying to tell me to do, but there was something definitely up.
Anyways, until I listen, like, if I don't want to be rude, trust me until I listen. If anything, it's not gonna be like it's gonna be like, okay, just tell me no or tell me yes.
And that's the moment where I look up in my rearview mirror and I see a swarm of cops right behind us. What's going on? No. Oh, fuck, cop. Oh, what's the fuck? You good? And I initially thought, I'm like, yo, like my buddy in the Hellcat has just entered like a police pursuit or something, because they were behind him. He comes around me and he's telling me to get off the road or something. So I'm like, oh my god, they want him, they're after him, he's in trouble. Whoa. Is there a helicopter? Fuck, there's a helicopter. Is there a helicopter? Fuck, there's a helicopter. But there's a helicopter. Not thinking anything of it. I was like, I immediately wanted to like either fight or flight. I'm like, if they're about to catch him, I don't want to be got too or something. So a turn comes up, I take a right. It's a helicopter. Is it for me? No. Is it for me? No. I slow down, I pull off to the side, I park my car, I turn it off, and I'm like, all right, I can't do anything else from here. So we're chilling in the car, and then I hear my buddy's Hellcat, which is loud as hell, get onto the freeway, and he's like flooring it onto the freeway, and all of a sudden all these other cop cars are flooring it onto the freeway, and I'm like, whoa, like what the hell is going on? I think he's in like a police pursuit. And mind you, at this point I look up in the sky, and there's a police helicopter there, and there's another one that looks like it's coming his way as well. So I'm like, yo, he's done. I'm making prayers for him at this point. I'm like, yo, this guy is gonna end up in jail tonight or something. This is terrible. So 2 minutes pass by, we're waiting in the car, me and my buddy are freaking out. We're like, oh my god, like we can't believe it's just like this just happened, like this is unbelievable. Then the Hellcat calls me, you know, and he's like, yo, like did you see what just happened? Like, oh my god, there was a police pursuit, and the guy was the guy that cut you off. So I think real quick, I'm like, who cut me off? There was an Audi that like flew out of like a neighborhood. It's an Audi Q5, a little SUV, flew out of the neighborhood right in front of us. Oh fuck, cop. Oh, what the fuck? So this is where it all makes sense. We were going down the road, and yes, you know, we didn't really do anything wrong, but we were kind of just messing around, maybe going a little over the speed limit, a little bit, honestly. Like we were just kind of cruising along. And this Audi cuts us off, and I guess all the cops were behind us, like down the street. So when he cut us off, in order to get to him, they had to pass us. So immediately we thought they were coming for us, but they were actually going for the Audi. And then he figured that out because he saw the police helicopter like shining its light, and the light actually did hit my car at one point in the video, you'll kind of see. But it was a super crazy kind of pursuit that went on. He ended up following them, and then I had to follow through to that area too because I was dropping my buddy over there. But overall, it was pretty freaking wild. Like, we saw this pursuit take action. This guy was flying onto the freeway. The Hellcat was going. There was so many cops. I counted at least like 30, 40 cop cars, undercover cars. There's 2 helicopters in the sky. Like, they really wanted to go to get this guy. I think he ended up going to like a residential community in the end. Is he running away again? Oh, what the fuck? Scaring me, man.
They're looking for him.
Yep.
Yeah, go.
Get under the car, go first.
This is crazy, bro.
Fuck.
Yo, that's over there, bro.
Holy shit.
They got his car over there.
Dude, they're blocking off everyone right now.
Yo, he probably got out of the car and like skedaddled. Yeah, bro, they're looking for him. That's
Holy
crazy.
Shit. Yeah, bro. They locked down the whole entire area. Holy shit. CHP, Anaheim PD. Fuck. Okay.
Yo,
Where
how
do I
many
go,
cops,
bro? I need to get on the freeway. Oh shit, you went to the hotel? Fuck. I should probably just get on the freeway. So today I tried to look up like any news articles that would show what happened, but I couldn't really find anything for you guys. So if I do end up finding it, I'll throw it in the description of the video. But overall, pretty crazy. I'm so happy that I have the dash cam because it shows everything perfectly in 4K, so you get a really good view of everything that went on. But man, that was a nerve-wracking moment. I've never like seen anything like this in person, like live. So in order like to really be in a police pursuit is pretty wild to me. Alright guys, so now that you've seen the footage, I hope you enjoyed it. It was definitely a wild night. Nothing that I was expecting when I was going out, and that's why I didn't have any of my cameras on me, or literally just going to grab food. But it's crazy how the world works. You can end up, you know, at the right place, right time, or wrong place, wrong time. in just a matter of seconds, things can change up on you. So I'm super happy I had to have the dash cam because it's always recording, always giving me footage. So that is the cool part of it. And I wanted to say a big shout out to you guys for getting me to 31,000 subscribers. We're actually getting closer to 32,000 subscribers, so we're moving up fast, and I want to keep pumping out awesome content for you guys for the rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. My name is Rush, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.